Imagine standing in front of a mirror 90 days from now. Your reflection reveals a leaner, stronger version of yourself with eyes that shine with newfound confidence. This transformation is more than skin deep. It's a testament to your resilience and dedication. As you take a deep breath, you feel the energy coursing through your body, a result of countless small choices made over the past 3 months. This journey, a symphony of sweat, discipline, and self-discovery, is about to unfold before you. This transformation isn't just about physical change. It's about cultivating a mindset that empowers you to overcome obstacles and embrace challenges. The mental fortitude you develop during this journey will echo through every facet of your life, from personal relationships to professional achievements. This is your opportunity to redefine your limits and rewrite the narrative you tell yourself. Over the next 90 days, you'll embark on a structured plan designed to transform both body and mind. Each day will bring its own trials and triumphs, testing your resolve and rewarding your commitment. Consistency will become your ally, guiding you steadily towards your goals. You'll find that the habits you build are not just temporary fixes, but lasting changes that will serve you long beyond this initial period. Your journey begins with a single step, and that step is about setting clear, achievable goals. By defining what you want to achieve, you lay the foundation for your transformation. The clarity of your vision will illuminate your path, keeping you focused and motivated. So let's delve into the process of setting these pivotal goals. Setting goals is the compass that directs your transformation journey. Without clear goals, the path may become a winding road with no destination. Envision what success looks like for you. Is it losing weight, gaining muscle, or improving mental clarity? Define your goals in precise terms. Aim to lose 10 pounds or run a 5K. Writing down your goals is powerful. This act transforms desires into tangible targets. Place these goals somewhere visible as daily reminders. This visibility reinforces your commitment. Consider mental shifts you wish to achieve. Cultivate a positive outlook or manage stress better. These mental objectives complement your physical efforts. Setting dual goals ensures a holistic approach. Goals should be challenging yet attainable. Push out of your comfort zone without being overwhelmed. Goals might evolve, and that's fine. Flexibility is key. Remain oriented towards your vision. A well-structured workout plan is crucial for your physical transformation. This isn't just about hitting the gym. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle change. Your plan should be divided into 3 phases, each building upon the last. The first phase focuses on establishing a routine. Start with manageable exercises that fit into your daily schedule, gradually building consistency without overexertion. Phase 2 is about increasing intensity. As your body adapts, it's important to introduce new challenges. This might involve adding weight, increasing repetitions, or trying new activities such as yoga or cycling. Variety keeps your workouts interesting and prevents plateaus. It also engages different muscle groups, promoting balanced development. The final phase encourages you to push your limits. By now, you should be comfortable with your routine and ready to explore your physical potential. This could mean setting a new personal best or mastering a skill like a pull-up or sprint. Remember, safety is paramount. Listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Throughout all phases, rest and recovery play vital roles. Ensure you incorporate rest days to allow your muscles to repair and grow. Complement your workouts with adequate sleep and stress management techniques. This holistic approach ensures that your transformation is beneficial and sustainable, paving the way for long-term health and fitness. Nutrition is the cornerstone of any transformation journey. What you eat directly impacts your energy levels, recovery, and overall health. Begin by evaluating your current eating habits. Are there areas where you can introduce healthier choices? The goal is to fuel your body with nutrient-rich foods that support your physical activities and mental sharpness. A balanced diet should include a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. These foods provide the essential nutrients your body needs to perform at its best. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid the temptation of processed foods. Meal prepping can be a valuable tool, allowing you to control portion sizes and ensure a consistent intake of wholesome ingredients. Hydration is equally important. Water supports all bodily functions and aids in recovery. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day, more if you're engaging in intense physical activity. Avoid sugary drinks and excessive caffeine, which can lead to energy crashes and dehydration. Finally, remember that moderation is key. Indulging occasionally is fine, but make sure it doesn't derail your progress. The aim is to create a sustainable eating plan that you can maintain long after the 90 days. A healthy relationship with food is essential not just for body transformation, but for mental well-being too. Section 5, Mindset Transformation Plan, Building Mental Resilience. Beyond physical changes, transforming your mindset is crucial. A resilient mind will support your physical goals and enhance your overall well-being. One effective strategy is daily meditation. Even a few minutes each day can center your thoughts and reduce stress. Meditation fosters clarity and focus, essential components of a successful transformation journey. Positive self-talk is another powerful tool. The way you speak to yourself can dramatically influence your mindset. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that reinforce your capabilities. For instance, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," say, "I am capable and I can overcome this challenge." This shift in language can build confidence and resilience. Continuous learning is also beneficial. Read books or listen to podcasts that inspire and educate you on topics related to health, wellness, and personal growth. This not only broadens your knowledge, but also keeps you motivated and engaged in your transformation journey. Finally, consider keeping a journal. Documenting your thoughts, challenges, and achievements provides a valuable record of your journey. It helps you process emotions, track progress, and reflect on your growth. Over time, you'll be able to look back and see how far you've come, reinforcing your dedication and drive. Section 6, The Power of Consistency, the secret ingredient. Consistency is the backbone of any successful transformation. It's about showing up every day, even when motivation fades. Consistent effort, not occasional perfection, leads to lasting change. Every small action, from choosing a healthy meal to completing a workout, compounds over time, yielding incredible results. Building consistency starts with creating a routine. Set specific times for your workouts and meals, integrating them into your daily schedule. This regularity makes it easier to stick to your plan and reduces decision fatigue. Over time, these actions become second nature, requiring less mental effort to maintain. Celebrate small wins along the way. Each step forward, no matter how minor, is progress. Acknowledge these victories to keep your momentum going. This positive reinforcement strengthens your commitment and makes the journey enjoyable, not just bearable. Remember, setbacks are part of the process. If you miss a day or stray from your plan, don't dwell on it. Focus on getting back on track. Consistency isn't about perfection, but about perseverance. Keep showing up, and the transformation you seek will follow. Section 7. Call to action and motivation. Embrace the journey. Now is the time to commit to your 90-day transformation journey. Embrace this opportunity to redefine your limits and discover new strengths. Motivation might waver, but your commitment will carry you through. Visualize your goals every day, keeping them at the forefront of your mind. Surround yourself with positivity. Engage with communities or groups that share similar goals. Their support and encouragement can be invaluable, especially on challenging days. Share your progress and learn from others to stay inspired and accountable. Believe in your potential for transformation. The journey may seem daunting, but each step you take brings you closer to your goals. Trust in the process and in your ability to overcome obstacles. Remember, this journey is as much about who you become as what you achieve. As you embark on this journey, remember that you hold the power to create the change you desire. Take the first step today and commit to the path of transformation. The rewards, both seen and unseen, will be worth every ounce of effort. Section 8. Celebrating milestones, the joy of progress. Throughout your transformation journey, celebrating milestones is crucial. These moments of recognition not only boost morale, but also remind you of your progress. Each milestone, whether it's a weight loss achievement or a mental breakthrough, deserves acknowledgement. Celebrate these victories to reinforce your dedication and inspire further effort. Identify specific milestones at the start of your journey. These could be physical targets like achieving a personal best or mental achievements, such as maintaining a daily meditation practice for a month. By setting these interim goals, you create opportunities for celebration along the way. Create a reward system that motivates you. This could be as simple as treating yourself to a new workout outfit or a relaxing day off. Rewards should reinforce positive behavior and provide an incentive to keep pushing forward. They serve as reminders that your hard work is paying off. Finally, reflect on the journey so far. Take time to appreciate how far you've come and the growth you've experienced. This reflection not only boosts confidence but also provides valuable insights into what strategies work best for you. Use this knowledge to refine your approach and continue your transformation journey with renewed vigor. Section 9. Conclusion: Your new beginning. As you conclude your 90-day transformation journey, reflect on the incredible changes you've undergone. This process has been about more than just physical transformation. It's been a holistic journey that reshaped your body, fortified your mind, and rejuvenated your spirit. You've not only achieved your goals, but also cultivated habits that will serve you for a lifetime. The end of this journey is not a finale, but a new beginning. You now possess the tools and mindset to continue evolving, setting new goals and pursuing greater heights. The discipline and resilience you've built are your allies as you navigate future challenges. Share your story. Inspire others by narrating your journey, the struggles you overcame, and the triumphs you celebrated. Your experience can be a guiding light for those embarking on their own transformation journeys. By sharing, you also reinforce your commitment to this new empowered version of yourself. Remember, transformation is a continuous process. Continue to set new goals and challenge yourself. Stay committed to the habits that have brought you this far and remain open to learning and growth. Your 90-day journey is just the beginning of a lifelong adventure in personal development and fulfillment.